Okay guys, today we're going to be doing order of operations. So what exactly is order of operations? Order of operations is the order in which you need to carry out operations when evaluating an expression. It's the steps needed to complete a mathematical problem. You need to follow them in order. So what exactly are they? PEMDAS. PEMDAS stands for P parentheses, E exponent, M multiply, D divide, A add, and S subtract. A quick tool that can help you remember them is Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally. P standing for please, E standing for excuse, M standing for my, D for dear, A for aunt, and S for Sally. Okay, so why don't we go ahead and start with a warm-up problem. We're going to start with parentheses. When completing any mathematical problem in PEMDAS, you always need to start with parentheses first. So we have here 5 minus 4 plus parentheses 6 times 6 minus 5 to the exponent 2, which is squared, divided by 5. You're not going to complete that all the way from left to right. You're going to pick out just the parentheses. So for the parentheses, 6 times 6 would be 36. So we would have 5 minus 4 plus 36 minus 5 squared divided by 5. Next we have exponents in PEMDAS, which is the E. Our next step in the problem involving exponents is 5 squared. Our 5 squared will become 25. So in our problem we will have 5 minus 4 plus 36, our 5 squared turned to 25, divided by 5. Okay, so next we have multiply and divide. When multiplying or dividing, you can perform them from left to right. They're interchangeable. So with our problem, we have division. We have no multiplication, so we can just go ahead and do the only division problem we have in our problem, which is 25 divided by 5. 25 divided by 5 will become 5. Our next steps in PEMDAS are A and S, which are addition and subtraction. Similar to multiplication and division, addition and subtraction are interchangeable as well. You can complete them from left to right. So we have 5 minus 4 plus 36 minus 5. We have all addition and subtraction left in our problem, so we're almost complete with completing it all the way. We're just going to go ahead and complete it from left to right. First we have 5 minus 4, which will give us 1. Our 1 we can add to 36. Our 1 plus 36 will give us 37. And finally, 37 minus 5, which will complete the problem. And the answer to our problem is 32. Now when you do this, you need to go ahead and go over and look at the steps that you're completing. You always want to make sure that you're following it in order, P through S. P going first, you always start with parentheses, exponent, multiply or divide, which are interchangeable, whichever comes first from left to right. Addition and subtraction, which are also interchangeable from left to right. You can add or subtract first, and then completing the problem all the way in order from left to right. I hope this gets you guys started with order of operations, and we'll go ahead and finish up in class tomorrow. Bye!